Hello Carzoholics, this is a Lamborghini Aventador S LP 740-4. Long name cause lots of information. S from the SVJ, the Super Veloce Jota LP, because this car has a naturally aspirated V12. 740 because 740 CV, Cavare Vapore, the Italian unit equivalent to horsepower. Then there's a 4 that indicates to the all-wheel drive system of this car. So this car has a 6.5 liter naturally aspirated 60-degree V12 married to a 7-speed AMT. Still 0 to 100 in 2.9 seconds, 0 to 200 in 8.8 seconds, 0 to 300 in 24.2 seconds, and it will top up at 350 kilometers per hour. But this is a part 2. Check out the part 1.